Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to export an FBX file to USDZ and GLTF and post it in My Gallery. The My Gallery feature is best suited for users that don't have their own infrastructure to serve these files. This is also a great collaboration tool since you can share these files with the world. If you set it to public, you can share it through a link. If you set it to private, you can share with other users within the Meshmorph.io platform. From the beginning, I'm going to use Maya 2019 to export my file, which also has the PBR workflow through the material Stingray PBS. I strongly recommend using this material since it's best suited for simulating real-world light conditions, especially for AR. What I'm going to do right now is to select my geometry and set File, Export Selection, and make sure it's FBX. Since this model is not rigged or animated, I don't need to include animations, so I uncheck animation. Also, I uncheck cameras and lights and audio, but I need to make sure to embed media. I want all my textures of my materials to come along packaged inside of the FBX file. So I'm going to set embed media. I'm going to set a name, elephant export. I'll export the selection. Now, once exported, I'm going to move on to my platform. In Meshmorph.io, I'm going to go to Convert Hub, select FBX to USDZ, which, using FBX to USDZ, it will also generate the GLTF I need for displaying in my gallery, so I don't have to do double work. I can also go from GLTF to USDZ and publish it to my gallery, and it will also generate GLTF from the GLTF file, the USDZ, and it will save this into the server. So Google through Scene Viewer in iOS through Quick Look AR can view the files. For now, I'm going to do FBX to USDZ since my file is FBX. I'm going to select watermark free because I don't want to use my tokens yet, just for testing purposes. Then I'm going to select my object, elephant export. I'm going to skip this error right here since my model is not rigged and it does not come with plane shapes. I also haven't set my materials yet to do material property tokens. I don't really need it though, because this is specifically for alpha mode in which I have transparencies and masks. Normalize textures to 1024 pixels. I'm going to set it to yes because I want my model to be optimized, fully optimized for this system. Also, be aware that if you select yes, the textures that are going to be resized are JPEG, PNG, BMP, GIF files. Other files like Targa are not supported yet. Then I'm going to publish automatically into my gallery. I'm going to set to yes and new fields show up. So as my title, I'm going to set, I have it here in another separate file, elephant example. I'm also going to add a description. For now, I can also categorize my model, but I have to do it once it's published in a step further. I'm going to select my thumbnail image. I have one thumbnail right here. And I'm going to set my scope as private. I want to share this with other users within the Meshmorph.io platform. I simply submit. I wait until the model converts, and once it's converted, this is going to show me the button to go to my published file. Contrary from direct download, the file here will take you to the published item in your gallery. I click on my gallery, and here is my 3D model published with my description, category other, and privacy private. I can also go and edit my post. I can edit and change the name. I can add or remove the description. And here I'll set the category. This category selection, I'm sure, will be updated in further versions of Meshmorph.io, where I hope it can be selected from the creation moment. But for now, I'm going to set it for animal. Still is private, and here is where I can share my file. I can invite users, and I can search here. I can start test user, which is one of the users in the system, and I can invite it to view my file. For now, I'm not going to invite anyone. And then I save my file. You could visit your website through a mobile device, log in as the user, and go to My Gallery, and you will see your model. Depending on the device that you're running it, if you're running it on a PC, you'll see it in this way. If you're running it in an Android device, you will be able to navigate through the 3D model as well, and also set it to play in Augmented Reality. And if you are in an iOS phone or tablet, you will see a thumbnail image here and a link to launch it in Quick Look AR. So this is how you publish to My Gallery. I hope you use this feature and you enjoy.